There you go. Welcome to Greg's Workshop again for the second go at this job here. Cooling trays for the bandsaw. For the grinder stands. Whoops. Back up there. It's daisy. Yes. A little bit loaded. Cover your eyes. Move your eyes. Magnets. Bottom on. Bottom should sit right there. Perfect. Perfect, see? Do a bit of tack weld. That's what they're going to look like. I think they're going to look pretty good. Right. Do some welding. Cover your eyes over here. Whoa. That's not the world. Hey, Mom. You go well the way I was taught. Spluttering what? Got the gas in there. Holy. This is going to take a good, I'm going to cool down. I'll clamp it on the table, I'll get my belt grinder out and give her a bit of a feeding ding and clean her up a bit. No, I'm not welding the inside. Inside will be well waterproof anyhow. These are well waterproof welds. Oh, that burns through there. We've got one more today. Oh. Cock it up off the ground a bit. going, everyone? Oh, salad. Now that is now that is glowing hot. Oh. That's one. They're heavy buggers. This is 5mm steel. Because I don't want to rust away the first week I get it done. Oh, Nelly. Whoa. That's what you call hot. Oh. Across my knuckles. Even blistered. Yep, burnt through the glove. Brand new glove. The heat from that. So that's this for this movie video. I'm going to grind this one, have it all done. I can't grind it by user. Yeah, it's takes too much noise out of the video. I'll come over and I'll show you, have a look. Now, that's what you call hot and toasty. Hey, penetration on those wells. They're right through. All the way around, look. Down the bottom there. Down the sides. Down in there. Wow. She got some penetration in there. I never turned it up. I kept it on 4. It's done hot enough to weld this. That one's welded. They're not too bad at welds. They should grind off just nice. I do weld. I do not too bad. There's a bit of shit there. But that's why it was spluttering, because I never ground them, never cleaned them. I just straight in and weld. I said, when you grind this off, when I grind this off, if I see a little pinhole, I'm going back to weld it. Okay? So I'm going to love yous and leave yous and do all the right things. Subscribe, send me a share and press the bell, notifications and all that sort of stuff. And if you're an old subscriber and you want to know if there's something wrong, you can ask me in a comment. Ask me a question, I'll give you an answer. I said, some nights here I'm up answering people comments that I've got over 1,000 comments in one night. I answered nearly every one of them, I think, all from different people. I said, it's 4 o'clock in the morning here, 5 o'clock in the morning, some mornings before I even get to bed. I said, I don't get much sleep, about 2 or 3 hours, and then I'm up at 7 o'clock with the kids. Unless the missus leaves me, tells the kids to ping off and leave me alone, not to wake me up. I said, so, well, this is a 15-minute break. I hope this has eased the hunger for my good-looking wells. And I will love yous and leave you. And I will finish these off in another video, not straight away. It'll be tomorrow or the next day. I'm not going to do any more now because it'll take forever that to cool down. And I'm only going to do the one today. So when I'm finished, the next time you see me tomorrow, what is the time now? 3:30. Well, I don't work after 3 o'clock. Some nights. I only do from 10 till 3. And then I don't do anything because it's over my time limit. I can I have too much pain level. The pain level goes up and up. Yeah. So, thank you everyone for watching my videos and your comments. Much appreciated. You want to go and check out some people, there's DD Speech Hop. He's a cool character. Like his wavy hair locks. I used to have hair like that when I was that age. I'm an old man now. So, yeah. I finally got my lead plugged in. That big ass welding lead I done. Works a treat. It's got a big stove PowerPoint plug on it. 20 ampere. Doesn't lose a voltage. Anyhow, I'm going to go, people. Bye.